afei so yedi hu komo ye bisa se adena se o dance e wo se ne ana o customers nya nketa hodie no adena se o dance ye bobo ebi so akama ebi ni se build customer loyalty ma customer no no koredie bi wo no ma de bi opese obeto wade afei ma wo sales so ana wade ton no ma no koso foto wade afei so se sanso ma wudi mu o customer ni eniso na dwene mu o build good reputation ene nia e kan sanso ma wo competitive advantage on your can see now last week me can say ene no yes sir you be go through the 10 principles of exceptional customer service. Okay. Then so nioma teachiru edu bia e wo say wo ye o say wo ye person dance wa e wo oni o customers and our ditofo nkita hodie wo person dance wa nioma edu bi wo no ma I say o pay attention to. Okay. Nene no quickly ye be go through say ye wie ntem na America crowd ho dia ye di kakra be soso. Okay. Na me edi kan ene say as I say say we makasa I say we product na service na o offer no. Okay. Ade a wo ton no say eye bibia eye product bi na bibia etimi so ma no yeye ana say bibia usomu a enye yie ene say ebia na wono oye friend say o ton provisions ene nipa ne ba ebeto a key soap no better you, milk no better you, ekurano. Yes, toothpaste no to you. Ekurano. Afe insuno. Se ebia opamadie. Opamadie. Atare no na okura. Yeah. But still offer service. But the atare na babate service. Se na ye odi pamadie no, nhunu se na ye odi pamadie no. Sir. Now so you get a product at the end. Your ejuma di bi onuma, you get service and products intertwined. Okay. Efra, I say efra, but a service. A service. Obi, and in the car, bro, say CC. A service. Yentimi nya at the crowd, yeah, Maka, and yentimi now in some side, but a service. And Sanya Mani Nano, yes, as I said, dear old tone, dear old yeno, as I said, who name dear. Swihunu. Sanya beya ebia o ye obi kama anade na ade chia ekodi ha anade na saadi aba you should be able to explain so otimi enya we na betimi a kire nipa no ase se na betre no kwan a wo be fa so a sanya mane ba wo be hu se problem we na ade aba problem ni fault ni na ade aba mechanic nche no waye okay amount o ton ade a wo ton no unim de bia na obi ba ebe bisa ho asema na akwa bibie ho untimi ntire mu no confidence be any fan say uyo obi auton books Christian books okay and I am for bookshop mpa auton books so before book group is na book we you should be able to tell the person something ntu uwo books no ente omu a oti ona anya hwebetimi afa book na chi ane about the book no akan kakra yeah o kan a obenya fair idea obi ba na obisa oh book is nice pa talking about mami bi eni ni kunu bi a no mo sha se na abrabo mu nya kra nanso insi yo bi na ewom abrante ne bre nanso mami ni we ta so dignity supporting some omo be ye adefo nti no ho nsem na omo kire kwan omo fa so nti nipa na obeto ade ni nim say oni wie wo so o ade no nti yes know your product or your service. Okay. If you don't know the answer, commit to finding it quickly. Okay. Uni mwae na hwehwe. Yes. Intentem. Debia asema mekane say ya baby saw unim ade no usi unim okay so unim ye kofeda ye chirechiremu no yem nkwase chen say obeka say oh unim me shaba okase unim o hwehwaba enye nimkwase ne mo kase unim ne ebisa no tianka nimkwase ekele o confidence kra enti ni atoso mienu one of the principles are anase nhyehyede a dawa esese unhunu so pese o dance o ne o customers nkita hodi o pese o dance a yese tie ye ana tie dodo chense obekasa.
Okay.
Listen more than you speak.
Okay. Tie number 2.
Enu ye number 2.
Okay.
Tie ye. First one, you say know your product or your service. Second one, you say tie ye. Listen more than you speak. Ebi kasa. Customer no.
Na no be fa o ho chese. Ade ron to kra obeto. Nti no rather na ye ntie more.
Tie.
Okay.
Tie more. Answer. Esan se o pesa o dance wa. Ntiase. Se na o te obi the issue bi ba. Se na o te ade no last week me ka say and last week me ka say understanding the question is part of the answer.
That's right.
So control exam na question ya dia ma no unti ase a. Uni muaye. Untimi nya correct or that particular question.
Yeah.
Enti utie yi a e na obeti customer na se yi. Se na be a nhyehyade bi e da ya se oye no. Odebema na aboa. Ne to so miensa. Yesi akwaya te se de ye handling customer complaints no.
Mo akwa baba kita unsa busumi mu. Meka se sa busumi be hunu nyame nsa hunu nyame tumi hunu nyame ani munyam. Bompa se ehuntu na mframa bo na mepututu mpo kukupu mpo a. Udi me nsuro wate. Fise Awurade be kan na ba ne poma e be chiche ore. Awurade be ma na bofo abo hu nsraba ahia. E be bia nipa tempenten kwa tie so na omutwa adwadwo no. Awurade Nyankopɔn de ogie kese e bebrew. Posumi be hunu nyame nsa be hunu nyame abasa na danse be ye ochefa. Na ono fie be simu ye se me simu kra ye no. O Kristo Yesu dimu ene abompae. Amen. Mo akwa baba kita unsa busumi mu. Meka se sa busumi be hunu nyame nsa hunu nyame tumi hunu nyame ani munyam. Bompa se ehuntu na mframa bo na mepututu mpo kukupu mpo a. Udi me nsuro wate. Fise Awurade be kan na ba ne poma e be chiche ore. Awurade be ma na bofo abo hu nsraba ahia. E be bia nipa tempenten kwa tie so na omutwa adwadwo no. Awurade Nyankopɔn de ogie kese e bebrew. Posumi be hunu nyame nsa be hunu nyame abasa na danse be ye ochefa. Na ono fie be simu ye se me simu no akwa baba kita unsa busumi mu. Meka se sa busumi be hunu nyame nsa hunu nyame tumi hunu nyame ani munyam. Bompa se ehuntu na mframa bo na mepututu mpo kukupu mpo a. Udi me nsuro wate. Fise Awurade be kan na ba ne poma e be chiche ore. Awurade be ma na bofo abo hu nsraba ahia. E be bia nipa tempenten kwa tie so na omutwa adwadwo no. Awurade Nyankopɔn de ogie kese e bebrew. Posumi be hunu nyame nsa be hunu nyame abasa na danse be ye ochefa. Na ono fie be simu ye se me simu kra ye no. O Kristo Yesu dimu ene abompae. Amen.
Mejidisa woso waka amen baby a wo bia. Mema wo good afternoon. Hey, radio yedawase. Wasan bie yen ebusuafo se wonim o'clock na eduso no. Eye Sompa delight o'clock. Nyankropon adom, nyankropon basaye adom na dom yaba abedu enintini ye danase. Na yede yedwumedie nyina ahye ne nsa. Mia mesofo Professor Michael Bwedi Nyameche. Nimpaibo ena wote ye no. Papa, me chow pa, Yamin Shaw baby, I will be a episode of woman, and that Lexter Company Limited. As so, you say it's nasty, yes, nasty, ye cast, I necessarily any yamba about in your signature. Na, ye to me, can you now you say the yas toothpaste and the yas toothbrush. Etchy, yes, and it's near to me, estresano. Eh, nene, bibi fufraba, enanum, any janum. Ya the news, papa, near Denier Muham, Ena ebremo mumie monsema 3 butterfly school. 3 butterfly school. Almost say yabo yaba. Mo amu 3 months to 5 years. Mumfo mumrani entiti o mu British kwan so ne Ghana kwan so. Da ne bo ne de da form fo chese. Na osua de no na osan aye swimming lessons, na osan aye taekwondo, na osan aye ballet. Na umpewe na opede na afi so se wo ba eco school app bi wo ho a ye friend no EYLOG app ubetumi monitor se me ba no ye wadidi wada ya sesa ne diaper ni nyina ne ye de atoto so ama fe nti abusuafo mumi empene 3 butterfly school so almost say ya ba ye wo 8 Pawpaw Street East Legon ebe Melcom pa Freyen 0556094071 na fe fa obabra na obesua de bebre chenya aka me de be kan ho de nya aboche ne no me wo me am sister obedu fidie mu na my sister ashetum na obeka she ni nti ashetu I think said that no you hu kire ye enti no obesan aboso me sweet lady owo US of A wabedu fidie mu ha no tonyum pa nice melody frimpong sis me mo akwa baba Sompa delight so
Medas wo mama na oh me joso
ane da ahun fe kwa na jare sa in fact tuntum poni o
ayasemu
wow
ayasem so jawun bende o si etimi kika bo musa
sa
papa mu boni mu ye nyame ye ba ko pa
ampa wow ye ni age so watumi aba in fact last time when ye kasa na o kasa wo beba fidie mu na o de o si ayoyo enti no ye ni age so aba ai
etiefo mu mfa ncheme wate na last time ne de se baby am ko pie ye pa no kwase mi se na wo ka me wan ka bo se sa ka Accra stay by plan din many bre ye pa me niam a wasem ko nyama ntumi anye nanso aja metimi ne mo kasa kakra nti mo de mo mfa ncheme ne de maba mabela ndi wo ha se Sompa ya be som mo papa
unimade no na onim fidie mu se wura ha ye ya amamre bi nti me mo ya amamre no so wutwa ye beto ankomo no so we twa me ya baba na me share o page event ya ye ma ye no
abuzafo o ma onkonkomo mi ntwa wate
enti ni obe ni se obeka Sompa delight you know any testing any Sompa delight hey where me mama me ho anyway sis intimate for enhunu melody frimpong ne hwan
okay etifo me din di melody frimpong samwa munni munua ba me de nwum to asom oman emfie bebere ni na ene se ye wa he mo se ma hye tuntum efiri mitiri su kopem me na si nyina ye tuntum na masa tim tuntum space ya na chese enibere abba ma me afiri atofom entino ama enibere abafie enti yesre tiefo se nyame yen adoma ye August 1st no ye hie mu wo the page event center hon the page event center August 1st
okay
mimini da be ya ye bomodia na ya kopema me korabia na abusua sinkunwa na ya ye na ya kora na chi kura ai
enti aside ye wo plan shows bi wo Ghana na say no ane wo ba ko tel ya
sister so wa wonim said nsam no sifate I think say this year, in fact, not this year, na ye plan is and kai baba ye first glorious praise de bia afibia me ye.
Okay.
Me be US nti na the plan was said this year nke ye baba ye bi. Ene se ma me e de efra 20 no se gise ye wie ma me situation no nyina wie na che se ya peda ebe ye okay na ama tiefo ne adofo abam ye nyina ya kan bom ne ahye Kristo animunyam sanse se ye tiase mu jedi mu aforo san die ayeyie no erempa yanum de biara da enti mo hwanim Pentecost.
Church of Pentecost.
Church of Pentecost. I am a part of the New York region.
Okay.
Specifically with the Long Island District.
Okay.
Long Island District. Wow. And a woman to us in Tianuan.
It's in the upper sock and they say, Obagana. I Pentecost, sorry.
Me badia, Yana me wo yare fa central. I want Yana me.
And you're not
sorry.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Nyame inshallah. Let's know if or impending project be even back at the in the US or impending projects be I bet me there too cause melody but because enyom 20 there I mean consistency and a key.
So when say enipa dodo na nim with inkunim.
Yes.
And Boyen, if you remember Boyen COVID time no. And Nkugo party mean dibida.
That's right.
And I know say quite recently afin and nipani bebre kra have come to realization says enyum any person may see and a boy. So intino yes rewrade say odi enkwa beche no ame apomuden so asaka ho na nyame yen adoma say ekwa afi ye wie ye behwese betimi di bibia hyehye so wo USA ho no ma
okay
na fe ye de atoam okruma se kruma na say ya na te say woni
me de
enko ba antino.
But you do well with coming back, you know. I am now in Pempi Susun Kofuya projects be giving back to society. Obi wo why me be orphanage we say. I mean, what are some of the things you've done? Obi be kaya na say anything that
there is a lot in the pipeline, honestly, because it's in your family life. Sometimes you can't give your 100% all to the music.
Yeah.
We do have a lot. Yeah, per se as a team, no, yeah, per se yeah deba.
Okay.
Na yes, rade say. Oh my sa kwenya no ne ntumi enye we say one of the things that edama kuma so mofra I really love kids, you know.
Okay.
Mofra sabi won ma menemu kura gya won ho ko wawu ko won papa no mo nyanka.
Okay.
Edama kuma so pa yi se erade beboa na me so metimi aboa sa mofra no bi no so mo da achen ayeden ayeyi nti some of these projects na ye de babontain no ye de ba say ye betumi anso ye de nyame ya dum no otutu yansam kakra ye tumi bi aso so aboa mo so enya baby pie de esi na ye de nsempa no ewura won tirimu amoma tiase se enkuguo pa de won ni bi won abrabom da enkunim ne be ye won chefa esanse ye de sansam no hye won ase a won kɔ no enyini bano na omusua how to have that self awareness na self confidence na ma omunye say unse ya na ekɔ school ha me say ye bule me pa school
honestly krom ha na
sister ye kɔ school ni nyina me Confantman Girls Secondary School.
Oh sir,
yeah,
I see.
Ni bule yempa man side Confantman Girls.
When you say na school na pese mko.
Oh really? I come for yana a pemfantine, Timika say, hey, a punchy goat and chair crossing and chakalo hits a watch a walla, a besse what? You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. I got you. Hey, I see. In front of Fabu Pebble.
I will say, I can't find
amazing.
I'm Friday saying, Casa, you know what I mean?
I see. Wow.
Yeah.
That's great. And in the man size for be connected. Na frimpon no yes, and Nedia na da. Oh, and
a frimpon a brand or could you have or the farm in Numuno. Brana, or one Mr. Frimpon, or farm in Numuno.
Any Brian, Papa.
Brian, call me a child, pa. When I do my fire no mumsano.
That's amazing. Anyway, Auntie, any message for our listeners? I mean, you're trying last time.
I know.
What can you add?
Sir.
But I'm glad you made it here. I just want them to hear a message from you. You've said a lot. I know said definitely and to challenges are bare money and dear, you know, which she bibi into fet to before or be a be or journey who say me person me banyum to mu may any day. I mean, Missika Semkurat is saying, dear Namin, what would you say to such a person?
In fact, life itself, your woman is here. Yeah. Now, over solve it. No, I call the next one.
That's right.
I had to say puzzle be a solve it. Na me kakra nyame ya na de bia me bom paye se erade mfa nya madom na mitimi mfa nante one of the fruit of the spirit that I don't joke with self control.
Wow.
Eti ohaw ne beba amane beba osu beba areho beba na makai say if I don't control this then another thing is also going to go bad. Until I have to try and control something so the rest can be under control.
Wow.
Enti no me pese me show obi bia o tie me nkura nsisi ase. Bible can be as a man thinketh so is he. Said ye wo dwene no sara na otie. Senso sara ne beye ede amawo. Enti se wo ho na wo dwin kugu nsem a enya dia wo expect say madwen kugu ni yedie nsambra mabra bomuda. Enti se wo ho na se wo hwe se yare bia o mpene ho o atete wa ba ebe tete woni pedua na. Said the Bible can say as a man thinking dwen se menyare. Na se wo ka se yare we de no an de bekumi dia ene no so bebo modin agya okwan fefefe wo ka che o se minwu metena se na maka awurade maniye akira ampa so wo betena se na waka awurade maniye akira.
That's right.
Think positive as you go about your daily life. Enra ne ne se ye behwe Yesu edu bibi na ayi abrante na o ka se to asawu no no si o enne ya nyanam yem fan say we start Monday and adi kokosi Sunday na ka be wan na wo kwa akoda na se nyame nkronkron se kona koye sade we be yi a wo se udi so esan se nyame hu ye hu otimi maniama enidaso onim na enidaso etimi ba. All I'm trying to say is think positive about everything that you do. Make up your mind say adia mi ko ye ebe ye. No matter what it is, even though ebi ma kwamfa ko interview yes ye frɛ o de yem time fa nipa bebre we are different ye frɛ wa adwo de okɔ ya frɛ no ye frɛ ne ya na abena bin se wo pese tu kwan a ene ye passport woni passport ye den wa tu kan ane tu anamo tu sa anamo no na fa gidie ta akire sense awurade nyankopɔn say I am blessed and highly favored. See yourself as someone who is blessed and highly favored. Ti baby odu na be si bia na ho odi amount nti ye wadwen say baby amikoi. Wow. Awurade odi be mam. Ene so wo the platform yi ma me de ene tie for ye be kwachina no po. Ene.
Amazing.
Have a positive mind.
Yeah.
In everything, in your endeavors.
Well
everything
said.
that you do,
Well
just have that positive mind.
We will have that positive mind. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Social media handles, no. Eh, Jenna, so people so contact her. On fine. I mean, so won't you grow?
Oh, me say me no money. I'm going. You know, just me.
What's up? Contact the people so nyamelo different for the program. So yeah, how that's the person.
It was for so we am in kwa onim. They call me inbox on all the social media platforms now. Inbox me nkwa. You better get it back to you.
Okay.
Me wo Instagram, me IG from Pong Melody.
Okay.
Me from Pong FREMPONG.
Okay.
And Facebook also Melody from Pong. We call Instagram. I can't say YouTube as well. They say Melody from Pong.
All right.
And
TikTok.
then Twitter, TikTok. Nina Melody from Pong.
Okay.
Okwa behumi live. Na mo Diana mo encourage and mo follow, mo subscribe. Na chese mo share mine na.
Na nyom ni nyina so online. ni kasa ni ebe ya eche say ye twi yesepa or say for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Na products you hwehwe bia market baby misrew ubenya bi wo ho nti bomodia na hwehwe wo de ene etufo Accra Monfre 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi so Monfre 050 139 0338 050 139 0338. Medical Catcher says, you see a 3 butterfly school. Or say what base awufo masumbe drumo. Swimming lessons, taekwondo, any ballet. Aye. Na parents nso near then say ubako school app we wo EYLOG app. Omo de be ma omo be sign on to it. Now to me monitor activities awoba ne ye nto be hunu near ekoso wo school ho nyina. Omo si omo yes summer school started from 3rd August to 31st August. Until you dear brana be sohwe na be hu sampa omo di bibia ede na efe na ye kama aba omo wo 8 Popo Street East Legon omo be Melcom ho na omo contact near Mr. Fana Fero 0556 094 071 0556 094-071. Na website near www.3butterfliesghana.com. Afi so betumi send you mo email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. Almost say we learn, play and grow. Ye dia grow no. Na ye shia de na ye sign enyine enti fa wontoma about 3 butterfly school ebusuafo umiencha
local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no enti e friend local foods ne say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane say e ya bontine aduane e de yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 635991 024 635991 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na with them eh mido edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so nimse medie mede Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima menya homka senti na ye bokoyi na medie me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonhwa sa mesi ayefita asesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de hwimese enti na wo se efei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo Yas herbal Yas whitening and Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ebuzian chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso ababoy Mommies and daddies, do you know that education plays an important role in the development of your child? That is why you cannot settle for less. Introducing 3 Butterfly School. Say after me, 3 Butterfly, where children learn through play. We foster a nurturing world where every child feels secure to play, bold to explore, and confident to express their unique voice. 3 Butterfly
Butterfly School is waiting to welcome your 3-month-old baby to 5-year-old child for a wonderful experience as they learn through play. We offer British and GES curriculum, and we have other extra curriculum activities like swimming lessons, taekwondo, ballet, and all the activities you can think about. Parents have access to an app called EYLOG that you can use to monitor every activity of your child so that you can know your child's development. Remember, the opening time is 6:30 a.m. and the closing time is 6:30 p.m. Wow, this is amazing. 3 Butterfly School can be located at East Legon, 8 Popo Street. Connect with us on 055-609-4071. Our website is www.3butterfliesghana.com. Email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. 3 Butterflies School. We learn, play, and grow.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no ewiye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We no butai teacher Sompa First Service. Ewo homa he. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa kyerɛ ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda ni na share radensa na erade beye.
Yaba Sompa.
For na April, and then Monday. It's a new week, and untino. Yeah, they something new, definitely. And na eba, yeah, there's something new na eba. Na and then no, where that me deba no. Shout outs to my little girl, Duchess. I don't know the word na amabi intimidate, but say sometimes this is all the legible amabi. It's all kind legible. Say bibi na say open say ye clear. Utumi e kaya. Enti ene word no. Na are you ready? Busia no mu we here. Me pesa make gbagba. I think so. Are you ready, producer? Are you ready? Na ye fa word no emetie for na fe. Yen to me and twaso because abejafo I ready nesana and neno discussion hwehwehwam ene wo ho discussions hwehwehwam ene wo ho. Okay, therefore minimum be are you ready? And someone you say we you know how we do it. Auntie, are you ready? Oh, any abejafo atna sinti ba we ne abejafo nya are you ready? And all right, Uncle Fred.
Yes.
Mema wakwaba.
Obabene.
Yes, Papa.
Did you sue? I want to say.
I don't. Did any patapa?
That's right.
You want to say nyame asem.
Punza. Sa pepe. We dey quiet about much you didn't know. Dabu, yes, yabu.
Ya quiet ba ampa.
You got upstairs say my kind of crowd and tino. Every Monday we ana need you my brother no matter how.
I do white today dey say bia daddy da. E dey ready ase.
That's it.
Revo.
Good afternoon, 84.
Me say I come fancy.
Yo, Marty.
Who can chin in there, ma? They come fancy.
What's the name? Fancy to meet you? Be I
can't.
Me, I can't, Casa.
Na and then no, I mean, somebody like that. To be a baby. Move from Munchi and 2 days. Some delight. Baby, Obi and Jimmy, so Obi are calling it.
Some delight. And the trouble now back.
Yeah, couldn't beat it. Sompa.
Uncle Fred. And then one day not before. I mean, I was in the process of giving word of the day to a tier 4. It's me say me China what's not see minimum never.
Okay.
Auntie Yebeko. Now, I will proselytismatic rob, yeah, you dip a precede a word of the day, no, maybe can. Now, I just so we be to me. I happy so. Okay, to me, cat back, no more just so back. Just only. Okay, and then are you ready?
Producer the Mukapa, only me here.
Are you ready? Now, can yes, we are ready.
Yes, we are ready. I am Palano. That's how you say you be Bolivia. Okay.
And then bag.
Mana.
I say for Reverend DB Anyway, and see word for the day, no. Now me say thanks to me living handbag. Duchess, or not the word the mom into me the bread here for. See, mommy, this one people know it. I'm say we will bring it anyway. And you know the word is slap. Must be a mechanic meaning, no. Or say no, I mean can't be a share poetry. Moon say Udi in them now a business on I. Oh, say I'm channel. If you are one drink, one drink na cast here. Now we trim or stone him.
Oh, that's sleeping.
And then slap. Slapping. Nah, sister, the mommy.
Oh, that's nice.
And wow. See, the word slap means to eat or drink with a loud sucking noise. It can be used as a verb for the action or as a noun for the sound or mouthful of liquid.
It's true.
Into slap. Slap into say, who did Indomie na say bia akawana ye what you call one. Patch up on Facebook abe who adia my Sompa 106.5Fm Accra, but more than kona shop be my no. And only slap.
Okay.
Slap into na say won't take down patrende. Ya catch show so we nim ne was say we Mr. Munjusu. Patchen can't you so munjusu.
Patchen munjusu. Who so be did no yes I know. Slap it.
Because she use go for no about the grammatical powers. Now who say some pa be ba master record amami.
So catch it.
Picture mba mu twa no.
Yeah.
Since I'm on Facebook. One of the pictures got the biggest
most
reaction.
Most likes. Wow.
Yes. Almost about 200K.
Oh wow.
Did you see that? The Facebook almost about 200,000.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Any picture then is you.
Me picture no pa. Tembia no ha picture be to bia no.
O say say
me ha na ba me yi. Eh. Freddy ma mo tie mi a Facebook mo set record from Sompa.
Aish.
That's right.
Wow. Yeah, it's a new week in tea. Yabama kwabe dear na mo catch for answer na aboy nkomopo. I mean muye messages and so the amoke bia no emuye mi do and I love it and I believe say for so what do you have to say to start with?
Let me say weekend no was stressful for people. Stressful mamo but monto aswa munya sa gidi ni se bibia be yi. Wa she week for frosh to aswa nanti wo ahodim nanti wo tumi mu nanti wo nimdie mu na bibia odo nsabe sombia na be yi. I think this is what I have for the public.
Amen.
Yeah.
So for kasa and me na sorry penny so kasa.
But they are about social issues kakra. So we pokwa se ne hantem den ana manage home because we need the actually.
Okay.
It is from pokwa se o de ba abeta John Ted about besi of anko hono. Besi mbusa se e kwane aye no. Omo free umkuta holy trucks no. So omo tie ni bi pai. Na asphalt na aye no. Asedi kutwi eyi no ama sa se road no e aban na ya na se e se charge omo. The tosu mi ni e kwan hwan e responsible for maintenance. Unu se na nu ya road ya omo ye ya se guard no mo si kwan nyina cars na ba no anaju bebe da omo edwirigu and nobody cares.
Wow.
It's do mo ye kane no na Burkina fo no mba no omo shera parking chain no matutu. No that show me na se no mo de ko. Yeah, it was happening.
Scraps.
Yes.
Wow.
Scraps.
Wow.
It's abandon hwe ohono eye mama call please.
Your maintenance culture
is so bad already Ghana.
It's a great minds think alike. You can at the same time maintenance culture no yeah the my professor Abuchi obe bom echi aboma be eduma.
Oh man.
Anyway, it is well. Inti yede nyame ase. Na Lumba 1 year ba. Me ye na me see enrichi ya. Ya twin sem ni wa sisi ya 1 year ba. But you know there's a beautiful thing I have seen. Gidi koso ni ade nyina se na omu ye bibi. You know, so I saw baby ha omu dina atono ne send you almost see hona almost say be to say tourist attraction because that conversation we now cause people were thinking say legend say Lumba de a day na ye day kind you know but share videos na e good now to me who so almost see baby they intend say be my public later at least me take from one of the spokespersons so that's what they intend doing. And I want us to pick the conversation from there. I mean, we all know issues nearby with ne blah blah yate ni na kogu edenya me asesa asumdua ba hopefully. Sisia no sa legendary thing na omu ye no. What do you think about it and how can we sustain it? Because in Penyufoni bebre na eko ampofo. I mean J AB Crensel. I mean, some penny mo ko nyina no bibi sa wo ho anka ye kama enti no say we ebusuana ye say ya ye bo ma ba so but ye pese ye hu say what do you think of it as industry people and what can we say to ministry agencies near there to na omun hye sa nyoma we emu kena ne ye nya legacy bi masa anko for we nyina Reverend
Abna I'm saying in the first place no Ghana ni sad nyoma ni bebre it me attract tourists and it me attract even the general public inti say ebusia aye BBC na say ode ona our legend Daddy Lumba ne di kan ye bebo ebusia abaso ewo ejuma pa omoaye in the same way no so ye be pese ye be appeal to aban say BBC no na of national interest because so share ejuma ankaye Daddy Lumba waye obi be ka say oyema no ho but obi a oye ejuma bi oyema oman no inti no meka say nka aban so mbrem na say facelift bi obetumi de amanea ebusuan ahya ase no omo yitumi de ashame afei say corporate bodies bi so betumi abemu because corporate bodies use Lumba ejuma e de aye omo niama bebre omo de asa omo de aye parties omo de aye ejuma bebre even adverts ne ade inti no me person ka those corporate bodies no so nka omeba na omo support but just now you tumi ehun say 1 year edru na ye bebo ebusuafo na baso say omo etumi aye BBC omo de eja ho ama Lumba na akoye bibia ye behwe so na ye hu say at least papa na ba no be ye bibi ma o man no nti ye bo ama baso yeah
Uncle Fred
yes benin Daddy Lumba de be am me can say many no we go back as far as 44 years ago when we were all students me open primary college or no Jabi secondary school
okay
na me coach girl o Jabi ho
hey Uncle Fred no
me de bia na che say pepe for me babontin na jamaya ma say be gina safo no fa kara me ko enti mu hona be di ehu no me nya ma o mo ye fe no free Georgia free or introduce Daddy Lumba chem so Uncle Fred o penyum kwa no ma won we so e wo kwa no munti ho na me ni father amfo aso abaka 1982 aye di wi training school Lumba o chem wan ye enti no
oh wow
e nyina di wi training school a ono ko share Nigeria God being so good on 1992 o sa connect ye through Ofriam Ponsa and you may be a mini year juma be the last time I'm near you me corner DLFM ho now almost sound on to make say who change you high
okay
because set in for the mom check his sound now
okay I see
mama so we mo and no picture be me to the first
I think I
that's
saw
the
it
first
on social
after
media
now the same picture no that over me on the because that you know
okay
but that picture Ofriam was in the take here and then the last one is me and selfie. That's my last picture with him. Right. So ni man
okay.
I'll bomb about now. Now anybody no me kwan ekoye the sound no for them at the Independent Square.
Okay.
And me di dim pa je ka yeni
die. Creative Arts Agency no.
Yes, there be honya no.
And ye na nkasa.
1 week no.
Yes.
And we had 40 days, you know.
Yes, okay.
Independence, I was in charge of every be a best stage where born be an answer sound in Yamana. Be in charge. And I can be say, you will call a year and Senaka, if you said that, no, and I'm on for AG train with him to legal wife. Anyhow, I could social media. That the lumber hunting, be more Java room. And to kwesi kunum tem and yanam tom credit with Rankasa. And I'm for them the I say cry. Among for be edges crying more than they believe. Attempt the day. The pie is so powerful, a mood you bought and never be brave.
Wow.
That I mean, yeah. Because said the Kusu, yes, on your perfect. And an hour you and I were not there. The same baby will be a canyan. Now, yen buy and some we may call. Who Saturday? Yeah, no be the first information. Jaman for me frame. We make it that frame that day on the 26th of July. No, by about 4:30 to 5 million information is it? Minianico.
Wow.
But man can't be at so about 2 o'clock. On the former breaky, you know, news. No, na be a problem, mammy. Because na you crying on fear won't say. If you feel for me, very careful say. Say news to because do not trust me on my Facebook. Yeah, make you know. If you wish to be an hour, the man face and send me. If you come in conversation, a year no entry and Kobe. Damn, yes, me call a year on the 13th of December, Messi on the 12th. Because group is on baby. It's a court to say a year muscle.
Injunction.
The Barry do fear is a court to say Sabasso. I'm the chairman saying.
Wow.
I am Kobe. Young Kobe, you know. Your Hannah Busapenny to pack. I bring piano. Now, because say, on a Busapenny, taking decisions, only the more in our cinema. Many next year 1 I didn't come on either. I do near but we are sitting there. You do say, no, who critique so many enemies for yourself. One hour Busam now, teams and Kabos own critique any man, but about the sir. They saw Bano quite dry and on my annoyed day, who sees you. Sometimes I don't make us a silence. It's an answer to.
Yeah. Very much so.
Pa, to say by Yahoo, do Bruno, yourself for the who says one who's the end of Biana. You need to go in there. You can't go take his size in the other day. Though no more yet, the Yakitrano, a name ya. Because Sebi, Trawana now sooner and Qualang Stone. In few mano, Ruthy, and yet easy. Now, Okukuiana all of a sudden, saying, Baby, see. Me and I can't come apart at the end. Our baby will cover an arm. Until the end, apart from my man, I don't care about we 1 or 2 people. She's we are 14 years, will be going to be a dream will be out. It's a copan say, and no never 1 year. No, be I expect to say, I don't never, but nobody. With the exception of few people, we know. I bang. But so, keep on lips tight. Lips tight, pa. So I couldn't feel what that. Who ready feel what the chiron, swimming pool be, and then a fish pond will be. Where a fool, or the feel dear body. It's also a bit
because I feel say
it did not be a Facebook page. Piano. First of all, no, the Bonabasso, a catcher no crime files in this area, or the Coelho Numeno. We shut up born in your background, and can no mammy come about for you. We did a bit to piano. Maybe a swan of a no, celebrating for the last time. Master Min can be. They became here the next 5 years, 20 years, 25, 30 years, coming quadia. Say the Biara Mecano. The kind of man for the 2 age 70, the Macau Cacrabi. Diabetes, the bum, pressure. One your hawk cried and wow, crying out to school fees, crying a bubble. Stress be boom. It's a bubble crown. Until I can some 8 verse 4. Was what the papa crying away, and I'll be who say, I can't cry. Who are that man that you are thinking of? Cacanoman say, Jacopon. That lumber, eh? F. That's it. I deal with that way. No, who tell me something? Your various platforms. I can't say yes, I didn't be. Okay. And can't do because all quite butcher. Ruby offended Elvis Presley on the 25th August 1977. The banner, you are you know Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Now, Oko baby or now 72 brass or did you say guitar strings? Who's that from keeping them? You see, up a Ghana for musicians who will say on first record from your crown or copy and an instrument or copy. They don't have and I thought was share first. Omo oni nyina bia ma nanu 2482 otoso mienu ko. Eko bo dwa amanfo. Chese wawu almost next year 50 years no. Afi kwa ni sika kra aba.
Eba.
Busa. Oh, na sika wa kwa de. Na ebi so e. Oh, na on kan jiwe laka. On kan jiwe.
Kind pa.
Da na koku. Baby Chrome, the first person unya holding heart or Ghana high ko in operation ye. He came from my town, very Kwame cancer. I go Presbyterian Church or a poor baby for tourist attraction. In addition, so the first holy heart patients. Wow. Now I'm fooling free in our baby.
Wow.
Our maintenance coach here making the generation of today. It's but say I'm for the F. They be a country. A ye person buying it will be for 4 o'clock or bazaar. And my when you're dead. And the best I saw a cockle be. Oh, Baba Ruthy Kwabo, if I'm better, but you haven't find your free breakfast. Sarah was a feel that, but your sugar on animal cotton. Say, I say a call for Cacao. A non crowd tablet to you now, then you call for me. Who could feel like a cassa? I saw a paco de one day. That is all content. Only a boy could say, only your boy could say, we are check. Oh,
you have
it's just what you can say. You say buy and name me. Yamaji. Lumbedio ye nyina 60 years odi e ko they say the yakwa ita two the guna e dia e kan no efe en kaidu but if you ne kro no so why you na ko
one woma no biara fimu
you say we are sabrabo disahwe die edu ba bia de oh abra baby so na fim na bi na e dey no
ajinyame
Itabrabo ye timu no esan se nye ne boy ho ni mo kira de be nti no abina bi nya oda o 32 ada 33 yi no e den chese kwa say koye no ena ka panyin no mfres Calvin ene no wa ma bi dia they were there the specialist was the first day no ye ni bae no ama bi na me gira ho papa shi gira ho ene the relationship between Odobro it was so cordial until and when 1 year say you that you papa see or honestly
you spoke about the kids. One beautiful thing when you na mun korane and so mun keep you oneness. Cause I recall say court sermons be hon korane ba could be cry didn't too so Koka said no, I don't want to be a part of it, you know. Inti no bibia almost yeah yefe inti ye mama ba son korano my dear say in tokwase ni se ni nyina no mo yire omo hu keep you oneness ema bibia e ko na pese ye dwele on legacy ade na omo aye no na wa refer to CK man ne ade na as an arts, you know, industry yen kan saying na nkofo impanyufo nti say we hu hia because mate say binim so mo ye hall of fame ene den omo give space or museum ane ade
so for na we are
no dem biom na yen kan mo hu say I mean legacy be say na ehu hia na etumi ye tourist attraction krama debi obi tumi tu kwan e ba be hwe na enya sika e ma oman no Reverend
Abna na me wo problem wo Ghana yentumi and translate bibia nke tourism into sika.
Okay.
What we say tourism e sika. The way I obey no ebetumi amasika aba. Inti yemfa ne say ye will be a wo kwa akoye to say museum bi a wo kwa ubetumi enya enyum bia of old artists, pictures, some of the things they have done any ade wo kwa enkrofo kra betumi akọ ekotue sika ko e de akọhwe na se ye ni be boyen outsiders betumi aba abehwe sa nioma ni bi inti na e wo say Ghanaians yetumi translating nioma bi na etumi ye sika.
That's right.
Because wo hwe Ghana nkasa your pop away your tourism sites na nkasa na endorse be bresa wo be ka say wo kwa sa area hokora na wo kwa yemfa ne say wo call Cape Coast 5-10 minutes wo call we wa ye no akoto na wie
to say emunso extensive science to me. Okay.
But there could have been other sites around that same place because Ghanaian history more. There are a lot of things I course why yeah hopping a coy. Baby and here these slaves free crown, bano crown, bibi between yanko so because so black Africans, Americans, yomo bar, a yomo try some more called the source. Any other. Into something could have also been done at the various source, no?
Yeah.
Sanya beya and non subet me a generate sika. It may catch a buying say, Yen fasa a queen jay so moment here say, musician do that na me yo circle, no? And then dying out of Sergeant Ford to come from bank.
Yes.
Behind face.
When can historical?
Very.
Nkrumah Mausoleum. Nkrumah Mausoleum. And yet, about no choir no MPP aban. Do rolling Sibena first. Then so about maybe Shemukina. Shemukina is one of the most visited place.
Yeah, true.
I didn't tell because history know how our own bar. Pedo independence by coming Nkrumah is one of them. Okay, Oba Omaimuha. Busa say, Kwa Kanta, Jacob Sam. Any binding. I'm quite recordings first. Oh, UK. Yapon San 1928 on the 8th of June.
Yeah.
1928. Who will be grown from Rider? Stop.
Okay.
On the last stage in the
yes.
Say if you know how and Kufuado. Papa Fee.
Okay.
On a beer bar Simbia, Usabo Bobo, Kusiabini and
Adeno.
Honor Omoye no.
Wow.
Police headquarters, Ghana Films.
Okay.
Honor Ghana Films.
Yeah.
We go do a TV3 Remoa.
TV3.
Maybe I know you want on fast air plans in India. The Nampadu and a ball soundtrack, no. Eddie Gusu at the Adina. Capoepoe Asantira, no John concert in the 1974 cry. We are coming to America. First one, Papa Calvin Lockhart. Out in the back of my. He's on one of the body. Oh, no, said Calvin Lockhart. Only Bob Cole, the active film.
Okay.
Oh, Kikusi Takradi.
Wow.
Oh, these are
historical facts.
Yes.
What say you keep your guard?
I'm telling you. So if you go back to the relics of time, it was that was of Dazi. First time I hear a crown, a year by over here. Obi enwa, wait me the actual.
No, it's serious. Udim said, "Of I mean, Chawano crack patch." So, what do you, mommy? Udim said, and say, TV station be history. No more. They are to old Nyama night. I mean, we call social media. I told you so. Maybe a TV theater. Then no one can come. No way. Busa say Gen Z for no. Why when a kai says information where anywhere. Yes, yet ye one. You better a kai. You know, mpacho to asuma me ana.
Ubusa Ghana has said, "Nay, we be crying na imponko cry free race course."
Race course.
As we be who be quite race course. I can vividly recall in 69, 70.
And it's in a place new race course because it used to be.
Yes, your coco heavy. At 69, 70. 1970, the crowd the Okokumasia opposite baby see him for no. There's a place called Lebanon Club.
Okay.
They show you coach tennis war. I quite remember.
Wow.
My body crowd back ball tennis man be ball. Sorry. Me na me my area. Bring back ball tennis be ball me yam. E ma me konya that kind of problem near you. All this is here ha. They you change generation ah. O me hu afi baby a. You free e dey. E dey buy.
I appreciate it.
What I say? I appreciate it say you know. What I say all these are not there. It will change generation say you come moi. Come in Nkrumah circle. This is how it was.
Exactly.
So that you can see them. Now saying,
no.
That's right. Oh, called lighthouse. James now. Now, share in the 50s, 60s. How clean that environment is. Now, President Zuzaka. Now, our home. The population in that's what Ghana there. That's what say you know. As some can say. Say back Ghana apart from political figures. Your phobia crane to him. Amika Cabrera Road, Juan Road, every found. Why? I don't know people in the creative industry. You know, you ever be into yet you think I said national theatre, if you Mammoth National Theatre. They're covering Ghana National Theatre, sir. Because you got to be there, you got your own free chrome. That's the problem. It's apart from coming Nkrumah, Utiminya, Inibino. Obiano, Utiminya say Inibi.
Fe dan say ni ko buza round about. Dan kwaseko.
Yeah.
Ayi.
And no cross ebi wo ho a obi ba no aka say there bi mo me
sa. Eti Lumba dey say. This is what I saw. Lumba politically was aligned to the MPP. Though we are EDC for the name is eko ye. But because the interest e bia MPP for the share ni mu ayi no. En go dey say we. It is all yana is wa the next government obakra no promote kra na aba ba isa kwa we kra no one time obompai obonyuma we no mtini yamfa ye they will not promote it it kwa kwa Lumba on the national level emfa otan no e wo ho it is a family no na ebeye but o ma yana bia mo travel agencies bi na de ye when you get down from Kotoka airport you want to see one of our legends pass through East Legon or da kwa kokore no Otase. But Hona Kwakwa private residence kum museum and one side which is rich. That is be able to me a media factory baby. Now residence no sako. Tini I come
because residence they almost say detached.
Yes, it is a Ghana for only a twin sa. Can become patronize once a while kwakwa. Ba kwa pictures here on that way. You can't just say Lumba the studio be called and the lyrics will try a crown. Everybody be at ho. One picture be no more. We are the voice be hey no me under phone
yeah
but there was some bahasi something creative
yeah
maybe an ABA show
yeah
there's a guy called Kwaku Mensah or Denmark Netherlands or the Lumba ya jump or archival materials in terms of picture and videos so we buy a year bit Kwaku say guy no more reproducer for you to relive the memory of Daddy Lumba you know what you know I celebrating the first anniversary now or the mark my word. That is the end.
Yeah, if you are non papa no.
That is the truth.
Matthias.
And what you but when I'm quite o gara for what that. Brave station for
that. Me feel senka omo to me here man nke be efe. Be efe.
Enti say moya abedwafo ya I mean Sompa delight so there. Ye betie no na ye tie ni nti no me enka nkyere mo ne wo so me because I feel that say ye jai say ye politicizing your matter say ne oka say bia oye we ma manyoku we nti say na ebeboa because at the end of the day music any color music any color baby to me sayare to me say to me consolate to me bibia and obia so pe enti no bibia was ye ne de bo ho ban ne de as creative
why na ekoye
need to do and no asem no problem well so from where I sit and Reverend Abia you may have heard there are groups in the industry almost feel say this me a champion ni bibi sa enti ye show mu kutu pa omo yire omo ho because this is necessary. So music definitely yes to see a push say yeah if a music yeah sure yeah chronicle musicians union of Ghana yeah live from beginning to time yeah 50th anniversary in a book into bibi sa ni say yeah wo ho yeah she say afo aba up omo person omo yes say omo boa omo set up na make no ebi mo ho mo see museum nyina omo person mpia so na enye because at the end of the day at the end of the day, Reverend, at the end of the day, it has to work. And somebody has to spearhead it. Somebody has to push the agenda. So as you sit here and you talk to them, let's hope that they listen.
Sure.
I might wrap it up now.
As a president of Ghana, former president of Ghana, Nasa me call ne baby I see no na ewe fua. Abena menti ase.
And you better say. Last words na sorry so na me time nasa.
Say you be koswa ne ya encourage ya buying any stakeholders bia e betumi aboa. So we make sure say some of these things becomes a legacy for the country.
Yes, necessary, very necessary. I mean Hollywood koshe a whole
Hall of Fame.
My God. Offer
so Freddie Mensah Freddie Studios that's all 0201 68 2423 open your my open instruments are high and I'll pay at the Swabia or music
okay
contact me the first share of the common fund I'm just being kakani why na ja and put the body mom now congratulations to Sompa FM. But you are not saying coming a picture no one. I'm a picture the since I'm back Facebook almost 20 years ni. Of more picture and I generated the most excitement. God bless you so much.
God bless you too. So that Nana Mrekwa, our Elder Jerry, the brother wife. Elder Jerry say, Auntie Matilda, God bless you. I now wait so him say if you who can you so aye. So no you couldn't be here. No, God bless you. Huh? Delight. Producer one, Elder Jerry, Nami Shaw, Papa. Uncle, Reverend Mama Sre, St. Augustine, Nami Shaw, Lady Joanne, Nami Shaw. Oh, DJ Rage Mice, I didn't know, Nami Shaw. My svelte lady, Auntie